Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 11 Exercise 11E question number 4. This is, you have to use this figure to complete this table, right? And what's the thing here? You have, in the first part you can see there are three angles in this figure, right? There are three angles, and out of those three angles measure of only two is given. We have to find the third. You can see XOZ, ZOW and WOY. So these three angles are there, and you have to find the measure of all one angle out of the three in each part, right? What property we are going to use? The property that we will be using will be that sum of angles, right, on one side of a line is 180 degrees. See here, you have this. Let's use this property now. First part, you have three angles. We all know angle XOZ plus angle ZOW plus angle WOY is 180. Clear? So now you need to do one thing very carefully here. That's what, see, put the measures accurately. First one is 65 plus ZOW, angle ZOW, this we don't know, plus WOY, so 30 degrees is equal to 180, right? So you have angle ZOW 65 and 30, so this is going to be 95 is equal to 180. So angle ZOW is equal to 180 minus 95. So angle ZOW is equal to what? See, 180 minus 90, so 80 gone and 15 still remaining there. See, 10 minus 5 and 5 here, 7 minus 9, 17 minus 9, that becomes what? 8, 85 degrees. So ZOW is 85 degrees. That becomes your answer for the first part. Let's do the second one here as well. So this time again same thing here as well. This same principle will work in all the 5 parts of this question. Make sure you are writing it down everywhere, okay? Now put the values. 28 plus 98 plus angle WOY is 180. So 8 and 8, 16 and 1 carried over, 9 and 3, that is 12. 126 plus angle WOY is 180. So angle WOY becomes what? 180 minus 126. So angle WOY, right, this will be equal to what? 10 minus 6 is 4. So 7 minus 2 becomes 5, and 1 minus 1 is already there. So 54 degrees. That becomes angle WOY, right? Then in the third part we have 70, 70 and then one is missing, right? So I'll switch to an empty page because we're running out of space on this one. So let's see. First one, I'll use it to write it down here. Okay, maybe over here. Let's come in the middle. So the third part here, right? So angle XOZ plus ZOW, although it's not needed to write it every single time, okay? Therefore I'll skip it from the next part, but you should remember this all the time. This time I'm writing it right. Now 180 here. Let's put down the measures. One angle is 70 degrees, the other is also 70 degrees. Only WOY is missing, that will be 180, right? So see, you have 70, 70 becomes 140 plus angle WOY is equal to 180. So angle WOY is equal to 180 minus 140. Clear? Angle WOY is equal to 40 degrees. Very simple part. That becomes your answer, right? Now we'll see what's there in the next one. This is the fourth one, right? the fourth part here. 50 degrees ZOW is not the angle ZOW, this one in the middle, this one, right? And then you have 60 degrees here, right? You have to find the middle one, 50 and 60. Okay, so I'll write it down here. 50 degrees plus angle ZOW, right, and plus 60, this is 180. Okay, as you can see it in this way, in this part, right, the fourth one. So let's solve it now. This is very simple maths now, so let's do that. 50 60 is 110 plus angle ZOW is 180. So angle ZOW becomes what? 180 minus 110. So angle ZOW is what? 70 degrees, right? So that becomes your answer for the fourth one. Then we'll have the fifth part in front of us. I'll bring it here, don't worry. See, this is the fifth one. 35 80 and angle WOY, that's missing. I'll write down the values now. 35 degrees plus 80 plus angle WOY is 180. Again, from here on it's simple maths, so I don't need the figure. 35 and 80, see 5 here, 8 and 3 is 11, 115, right? Plus angle WOY is 180, right? So you do minus 115 here. Angle WOY is equal to 180 minus 115. So 10 minus 5 becomes 5. And you already had 7 here. 7 minus 1 becomes 6. And 1 minus 1 is gone. So that becomes your answers, 65 degrees, right? So angle WOY is equal to 65 degrees. That is your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.